Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to online class brought to you by St. Xavier School, Khulna. This is Mohammad Zakaria Khan. I have been working as an assistant teacher of English at St. Xavier School, Khulna. Dear learners, you have already submitted your assignment. Today I am going to conduct a class for class 6 English first paper, and the students of class 6, you have already submitted your English first paper assignment, and I have got the assignment, and your next assignment will be the topic will be published third week. So today I am going to conduct a class for class 6 English first paper. Okay, dear learners, let's go to start our class. Our today's session. Welcome to online class. Look at the picture, dear learners. What do you see in the picture? A man is exercising. Yes, you are right. A man is exercising. Okay. A healthy man. You are seeing a healthy man. Look at the pictures. First one is a car, right? This is a house, a gorgeous house. The third one is ornaments. And these are well. The fourth one is cash, okay? These are well. So, our today's session is health is wealth. This is lesson 9. Health is wealth. Okay, dear learners. So our today's topic is health is wealth. Model reading by the teacher. Listen to me attentively, then answer the following questions. What do you mean by the hygiene? Dear students, what do you mean by hygiene? Yes, you are right. Hygiene means the right kind of food, which is very essential for our body. Yes, you are right. What are essential for good health? What are essential for good health? Yes, you are right. The right food is essential for our good health, which is very helpful for our body. And hygiene, the rules of the right things, right food. What do you mean by balanced diet? And what are the rules of a personal hygiene? Okay, dear students, let's enjoy video. Okay. Okay, dear students, what have you seen in the video? Some students or some person, they are taking exercise. Yes, they are taking exercise. Okay, so our today's topic is taking exercise. Some important rules of good personal health are as follows. Number 1, balanced diet. In our previous question, that was a question that what is balanced diet. Okay, our food should contain correct proportion of carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, mineral and water in it. That is balanced diet. Okay. Our food should contain correct proportion of carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals and water in it. That is balanced diet. Personal hygiene. That we should follow the personal health practice such as wash your hands before eating. You have to wash your hand before eating. Okay. Wash your hand before eating. Bathe regularly and wear clean clothes. Okay. You have to take bath regularly. So bathe regularly and wear clean clothes. Brush your teeth regularly. You have to brush your teeth regularly. Okay. Brush your hair, clean eyes, ears and nails. Okay. Brush your hair, clean eyes, ears and nails. And this is the picture. Okay. First one is the baby is washing his hands, and second one is taking bath at washroom, and third one is brushing her teeth, and the fourth one is he's cutting his nail. Okay. You have to do it regularly. Okay. Number C, cleaning household. We should keep our household and environment clean. Okay. This is your responsibility. These are duties that you have to keep our household and environment clean. Okay. So the cleaning household, section C, cleaning household. We should keep our household and environment clean. And number D, taking clean food and water. Taking clean food and water. Our food should be fresh, clean and properly cooked, and water should be pure. We have to drink our water which is pure. Okay. So we must have to drink our pure water, and we have to take fresh, clean and properly cooked food. Okay, dear students. Number E, taking regular exercise. You have already seen in the video clips. The taking regularly exercise. We should take part in and games. Okay, we should take part in games and sports and take physical exercise regularly. Okay, we should take part in games and sports and take physical exercise regularly. Taking regular sleep and rest. Number F, we should sleep properly and take proper rest. We should sleep properly and take proper rest. Okay. Keyword. Dear students, I think that you are ready with your notebooks, and you must write in your notebooks these vocabularies, this keyword. Firstly, healthy. Sagar is healthy. Okay. So the meaning of healthy is in good physical shape. The meaning of healthy is in good physical shape. Sagar is healthy boy. Healthy means in good physical shape. Okay. Next. Cheerful. Do you know what is the meaning of cheerful? Yes. Minu is very cheerful today. Minu is very cheerful today. So the meaning of cheerful? The meaning of cheerful is jolly, happy, joyful condition. Okay? Cheerful means jolly, happy, cheerful condition. Okay? You must write in your notebooks in these vocabularies. Okay, dear learners? Jolly, happy, joyful condition. That is cheerful. The next one is wealth. What is the meaning of wealth? Money, car, house are our wealth. Wealth. So, what is the meaning of wealth? Wealth means cash, land or house. Okay? Wealth means cash, land or house. This is wealth. Wealth means cash, land or house. Okay? Fresh. What is the meaning of fresh? We should eat fresh vegetables. We should eat fresh vegetables. So, what is the meaning of fresh? Fresh means clean, new and unsweetened. Unsweetened. Okay, dear students, fresh, that means shortage. We should eat fresh vegetables. Fresh means clean, new, unsweetened. Sweet, unsweetened. You have to write in these vocabularies in your notebook. Okay, dear learners? Hygiene. What is the meaning of hygiene? Hygiene, the rules and practice of keeping are called hygiene. That is hygiene, okay? The rules of practice of keeping are called hygiene. Okay? So, what is the meaning of hygiene? That means practice of keeping good health. That is hygiene. Practice of keeping good health. That is hygiene. Go to section F. Listen to the conversation and practice saying in it pairs. Since you are staying at home, so it's not possible. But the students, you have to do it individually, okay? This silent reading section. Now, you have to answer this question. Choose the best answer. Health is wealth. Who many noun are there? Health is wealth. Yes, two. Your answer is two. Health and wealth both are nouns. Okay? An unhealthy person is full of disease and anxieties. Right, you are right, dear learners. An unhealthy person is full of disease and anxieties. Body organs are directly related to good health. Body organs are directly related to good health. Who are inactive, careless and unhappy? Yes, that is unhealthy people. Unhealthy people, they are inactive, careless and unhappy. Personal hygiene means A, B and C. Yes, number A, that is personal hygiene means keeping oneself neat and clean, keeping household clean. And number C, having physical exercise. Okay? Individual work. This is a table. Okay, dear students, you have to match this part and make a full meaning sentence. Make 5 sentences from the suitable table. A healthy man is free from disease and anxieties. a healthy man is free from disease and anxieties. Number B or 2. He can also be helpful for society. He can also be helpful for society. Number 3. Hygiene is an indispensable part of good health. Hygiene is an indispensable part of good health. Number 4. It implies the rules and practice of good health. It implies the rules and practice of good health. Number 5, that is E. It should be practiced strictly.